Today, I'm gonna show you the correct way to paint the corner of your walls. And if you're doing it like this, please stop because you're doing it wrong. The first thing you wanna do is get one of these rollers. You could get a bigger one if you like, but this is the one that I'm using. Now that you got everything you need, all you gotta do is stick the tip in, put a little paint on your roller, and move on to the wall. Now all you have to do is stick the roller in the corner and just paint. Now you're gonna move to the other side of the wall, but when you go to the other side of the wall, you don't have to stick the roller all the way in the corner. And that's it, quick and easy. I would suggest just paint the corner the same amount of times you're gonna paint the rest of the wall, and that's it.